Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I forgot something, so be right back. With me to wax my underarms because your girl needs to wax them. A little self-care, a little TLC, a little 1 and 2. Today I'm going to wax my underarms. As you can see the hair. Be a little closer. Yeah. I may take out my hair. I don't quite know yet. I'm just gonna wax my underarms and then we're gonna do a little PR prep. I have a couple of videos to shoot and the deadline is today. I have to get busy on that. Now that the wax is warming up, I'm gonna be using the Sexy Smooth Wax again. They gave me 2 packages, so I'm just gonna run through those. I really like it. I'm actually gonna buy some. I have my wax pot here. Very small. It's at home. It's cute. This is what the wax looks like inside. My light just died, but it's okay, y'all. It's okay. So we're just gonna go on with this side first. Since I'm most comfortable with that, we're just gonna twist the wax. How cute. And actually need to look in the mirror. We're just gonna go down in the direction of the hair growth. You're just gonna make your little lip at the bottom. If you ever forget to make a lip, just get a little bit of wax. You just need a little bit. And then you'll just go back and make that little lip. And the lip is just basically something that you'll be able to grab from. So that way you don't have to flick, because we don't like flicking, okay? Flicking is a big no-no. It dries pretty quickly. That's another reason why I like this wax. When you're a waxer, you want to make sure that your wax dries quickly. That's how you get more money, okay? Since I can't hold the skin taut, I'm just gonna reach my hand back like I'm trying to scratch my back. It's gonna help extend my arm, okay? And we're just gonna pull straight up and apply pressure. Oh, look, that hurt. And look at that. Here. Same thing, repeat, but we're gonna go down. So you're gonna get your wax. You're gonna start at the top. Ooh. Or I should say the bottom. A little messy. I love doing a hard wax at home, on myself I should say, because soft wax gets a little messy. And hard wax, we just know it's gonna stay and it's gonna turn into a solid and it's gonna be good. Yeah, I couldn't get that smooth, beautiful application, but it's okay. I'm just looking in the mirror if you're wondering what I'm doing. It's another day, another dollar, another day to be great, another day to be your best self, another day to glow up, and another day to become who you want to become, okay? Because we're all on a journey. You just got to figure out what journey you're going to be on. But I'm so proud of myself, y'all. I did my nails. It's cute. I actually like my hair, like the messiness of it, because, I don't know, it's getting a little authentic. Got my teeth in, so if you hear me with a lisp, if you think I have a speech impediment or something, it's the retainers. Pull. Jesus, we got some bolts though. Means they won't grow back. I want you guys to go on my series with me on how to glow up, what I'm doing to glow up. Listen, I got 3 months to be the best that I can be. Tell you, I'm not wasting a second on that. Oh, that was easy. Easy peasy. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Okay, the technique I thought I was doing was not working. To twist with my right hand. I don't think I ever twisted with my left hand. I found out I apply it so much better with my left hand, with that lip. Like it. It's me pulling it. Ah, you can do it, do it. Okay. Y'all, this is the worst part. The part is just pulling it. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Ah!
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Shoot. Little crop top and a drop top. Well, it's not really a crop top. You know what I mean.
Ouch!
Woo! Almost messed up the mission. Ooh. I'm losing blood circulation in my arm. It's starting to get weak. I get so weak. Constant stream. I get so weak. Woo! The blood circulation. Maybe this will help. Okay, back up. But yes, y'all, thank you for coming to wax with me. Very short, sweet, simple. Very simple. I'm just gonna go up. Go up. I'm not ready, y'all. 1, 2. 1, 2. Thanks for waxing with Taylor Less. See you on my next video for the self-care day, and hopefully I'll have more to do, but for today that was it. Simple, easy, check off the list.